Boys and girls, happy Friday. Here we are on our second day of spring, and in order of our celebration of spring, I thought we would make Ziplock butterflies today. So let's go over the materials that you will need. So here I have a small Ziplock bag, or I have a sandwich size bag. It doesn't matter what size you use, it's just a preference if you want a small butterfly or a big butterfly. Next, you will need a clothespin. If you don't have a clothespin, that's okay. You could use a rubber band. Next, you will need eyeballs and a glue stick. If you don't have eyeballs and a glue stick, it's okay. You can use a black marker or any color marker for that matter. You will need construction paper. I have yellow and pink for spring. If you don't have construction paper, you could use wrapping paper, tissue paper, you could use rice, beans, grapes, you could use pasta, you can put anything inside your bag that you would like. And if you are going to use construction paper, you will need a pair of scissors. I know, boys and girls, my scissors are very big, but my son is older, so I don't need child-safe scissors. However, I'm not going to use scissors. I'm going to use my hands and I'm going to tear paper. So if you're ready, I'm going to move my camera down so you can see the activity as we go along. Are you ready, boys and girls? Okay, here we go. All right, boys and girls. So the first thing you are going to need is your Ziplock bag. So I'm gonna use the sandwich size bag and you're gonna open it up. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper or whatever you decide to put in your bag and you're going to rip your paper. You're just gonna rip it into little tiny pieces. Parents, this is really good stress relief as well for you being cooped up inside the house. So it's always fun to tear paper. So you're just gonna tear it. And over here, I have some paper already teared. All right, and then you're just gonna put it kind of in your bag, each on one side. Kind of like so. And you see there's a little kind of space in the middle, so you're gonna want that. Then you're gonna close your Ziplock bag. And then with your mom and dad's help, you're gonna take the top and the bottom together. You are gonna squish it. So it kind of looks like a little like bow tie. And then you're either gonna use your clothespin or you're gonna use your rubber band and you are going to put them in place to kind of look like your butterfly. So here are the wings and this is the body. And then what you're gonna do is I'm gonna take the marker, we're gonna take our marker and we're just gonna make little eyes and a little smile. And that, boys and girls, is our butterfly. I know, unfortunately, I don't have pipe cleaners at home, so I can't make antennas. But this is basically the gist of your project. You could put glitter on it, you can make it sparkly, you could put stickers, whatever you would like to put on your butterfly. I hope you enjoyed our butterfly activity, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful day of spring, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.